All right, everybody, tonight I've got double smoked sausages that we're just going to heat and brown on the barbecue. We're going to do peppers, onions. I got, so it's bell peppers, red onion, white onion, jalapeno, and some tomatoes in there. And I'm going to add a little bit of this fake butter to it because, you know, if you eat as much as we do, you got to try to be healthy on a couple of things. So don't have any other oil, so I'm just going to add this in there to give it a little bit of give a little bit to sizzle with. And then on top of that, you guys, top of that, and I'll cut across here, I got some oregano. So we're just going to throw some oregano in there, give it a little bit of a different flavor. Got a lot of onion powder. Man, guys, I burn through the onion powder. I absolutely love onion powder on everything. It just makes things better. I've never ever had it where it's made anything worse. And then I love this Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. So it's got some spice, it's got some salt. Get this in there. All right, that's going to start sweating out those onions and peppers. And so we're going to get this going, and then on the grill I'm going to put the sausages in a few minutes once these start to render down just a bit. And then the idea is we're going to take the sausages and we're going to slice them up. We're going to do, got hoagie rolls. I'm going to do some of the fake butter with garlic spread and everything. I'm going to put them on there and grill them up, make garlic bread out of them. I'm going to put the sliced sausages onto the roll, the onions, the peppers with the tomatoes, and then I got some cheese. So we've got horseradish cheese, we've got mozzarella with provolone, we've got American, and we're just going to put that across the top, and it's going to be our version of a smoked sausage Philly cheesesteak without the steak. So can you tell I'm getting excited, guys? Because you know the drill. If you've seen us before, you already know. Like to eat. Man, you guys, if you could smell this, you'd have a plate in your hands already. This smells good. All right, everybody, so when you're cooking, I know lots of people know how to cook. I'm not a chef by all means, but I like to eat and I like to make good food. And so every opportunity you get, introduce some flavor to your food. So we're going to have this stuff on hoagie rolls. Like I said, plain bread isn't going to cut it. We can warm this up and toast it. That'd be nice, but what's going to be even better is some of this butter. And today I'm cheating, and I got a garlic spread mix from Johnny's that we're going to use. It tastes really good, so no sense in me reinventing the wheel. Here's your opportunity. Like I said, add flavor, layer your flavors. We got the double smoked sausage, we got peppers, onions, tomatoes with the seasoning, the butter, everything in it, and garlic bread. Man, it's just going to be a riot of flavors. So the idea on this one, super easy, guys. This spread comes with a shaker. And you just shake it. Look at that. Done. You can't ask for anything quicker. And so the idea on this is I'm going to end up putting them on the top grill with the butter side up so that it heats up and melts down into the bread. And then right at the end, I'm going to flip it over so it crisps up and browns on that butter side. So since these double smoked sausages are already cooked, I don't want to overdo them. And guys, so we're going to do Spam Musubi tonight. The video that I had already, I didn't like it. And so we're going to do another one just so that we can put up a little instructional. There's a ton of them on YouTube, but we want to do our own too. So that's why we got the Spam going on. I'm going to take a look at these peppers right now. Oh man. That's so strong, you guys have to be able to smell it because holy cow. see the butter's melted there. The ones in the back, the sausages are dripping onto the bread, which is even better. I'll flip these over. We got a little burnage going on, guys. A little bit of heat. That's alright. That's just the juice that's burnt. We haven't burnt the onions yet, or the sausages. Turning this off. We're good. Man, this smells so good. I know I said that before, but damn, it's true. Alright everybody, so I got the pan here. I'm just going to dump everything into this big pan. We're going to load the sausages up on top of it. We'll go inside and we'll slice them up and just mix it all in, get real nice and gooey. Put some cheese across the top. Man, you get to see it when we make it. So the sugars from the cherry tomatoes, and I put a little bit of soy, all of that in there, caramelized on that heat, and I know it's going to have some sweetness to it and some nice flavor. I'm just looking forward to this like I always do. Alright everybody, so it just started raining really good, and so we're going to take everything off. The buns are mostly toasty, but they're not browned as much as I'd like. But at this point, we're just going to take it off because two reasons. One, it's raining. Two, we're hungry. Some of these are actually looking pretty nice. You know, Andrew used to be like, what the heck are you doing? You're cooking a lot of stuff. But then he started eating it, and it's like, now it's okay. Woohoo! Oops. Oh my gosh, you guys just don't even understand. Alright you guys, so like I said, I'm going to slice these sausages up and mix them back in with the peppers. They are hot. See that steam coming up? You see it, I feel it. And I cook, so my fingers are used to it, but they're pretty warm right now, so I'm going to wimp out and use these tongs. How's it taste, Andrew?
Very good.
That's good sausage. Get these sliced up, and whatever juice catches on the cutting board, I'll throw into the peppers. So, the fats to melt, and then call it good. All right, here's going to be some magic. Look at that. Oh man. You gotta be kidding. Oh my gosh. You guys. The smell is just out of this world. It's fantastic. Golly. All right, let's fix a plate. Got a little shredded mozzarella and provolone on there, as well as the American. Give it a Nice combo here. Those sausages were pretty hot a second ago, so I'm hoping they're going to melt this cheese up still. Gosh darn it, you guys. Alright everybody, got this toasted garlic bread. Cheese is mostly melted on here. There's only so much patience a man can have. So, here we go. Man, look at that. Is that even right, you guys? Alright, there's one. Guys, that looks really good. So now you get to see me do a bite. That's good enough to eat a lot of. All right, everybody, as you saw, I took a bite of this and it was fantastic. It tasted really, really good. So Andrew wants me to hurry up and work through this really quick, and this is actually the second take because the mic wasn't on a second ago. His plate of food's sitting over there, and I've already had a big bite of mine, so he's like, hurry the heck up. Anyway, so we're going to finish up our lunch tonight. We're going to do the Spam musubi, make a little quick video of that and how we do the musubi. And then we're going to go out to the shed, and we're going to hop on the cabochon machine. We got some rocks already cut, and we're going to hop on there and finish some up. Polish them up, round them off, whatever we need to do to make them presentable. And we're going to make our show and tell video for the outside channel. Anyways, we really appreciate you guys sticking with us and watching, and please like and subscribe. Right, Andrew?
Right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Take care and have a good day.